welcome back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and right now Dr. Ross is on set working on yet another commercial. So stay tuned for that because we're going to keep you guys posted. But in the meantime, let's get into our hot topics because a lot of different things have been going down in the industry and you guys are going to want to hear about it.
Yes! Hell yeah!
Jamie Foxx, that's right, the one we've been talking about for a while. He actually had a medical scare yesterday, and it brought out his whole family in Atlanta to see how he was doing because this was a serious scare, and it was right when he was still working on his new Netflix TV show with Cameron Diaz. Now, I'm excited for the TV show, and all we have to say for Mr. Foxx, stay up, Nick. We can't say that out here.
Morning. Good day to you, sir. Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
But stay up, Jamie. We want to see the best with you. Let's get into our next hot topic with Kelly and Ryan. So Kelly and Ryan is no more. It is now Kelly and Mark, which it's 50-50 for me. I don't know how Kelly's going to handle this one, but Ryan has finally left the TV show. He just had his whole announcement speech with Kelly, and he had his whole family there, everyone saying that he is leaving the show.
Listen, I am a very lucky guy. I'm a very lucky man, Kelly. How fortunate I am. Fortunate to have had this seat next to you, Kel, for 6 years. You're incomparable. There's no one like you.
Thank you for the greatest 6 years. Thank you, baby.
He also had a ring on, which I don't know if all of you caught that. Probably saying that he's in a relationship, but I'm gonna still say this is alleged because we heard from our sources that he was talking to Willie Smith. But that's all alleged. We'll keep you guys posted on whatever happens, since, who knows, more developments might come out. But for today, those were all of our hot topics. We're gonna keep it short and sweet. But the last hot topic we want to do for you guys is the She's Hot contest. Because you guys have been waiting and sending in all of your poll results, and we've heard them. So our winner for this week is none other than Miss Chloe Bailey, or Holly Bailey, actually. Both of their names are so interchangeable. But they're both hot and, of course, the best of the best. Now our winner, she's an actor, musician, hair model, and, of course, a vixen out of all of that. These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you all in the next episode of Rosengold. And to Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'll see you all in the next episode. Stay tuned for the books and for the Jamaican shampoo. Link in the description below at our Instagram. We're out.